Welcome to Water Filters of America, where clean water isn't just a product, it's our passion. You're not standing in another cookie-cutter reseller shop here. We're the originators, not middlemen, not franchise copycats. We design, build, and back every system ourselves, right here in the USA. Since 1998, we've been helping people take control of their water with real solutions that fit real needs, not overpriced gimmicks or one-size-fits-all machines. Whether you're fighting iron stains, hard water, bad taste, rotten egg smell, whatever's coming out of that tap, we know how to fix it the right way the first time. You'll talk with people who actually know what they're doing. No call centers, no pushy sales nonsense, just honest answers, expert advice, and equipment built to last. At Water Filters of America, we believe clean water should be simple, affordable, and done right. That's been our promise for over 25 years, and we're just getting started. Take a look around our site for clear answers to your questions. We've packed it with helpful info to make your decision easy. Or, if you'd rather save time, give us a call at 1-800-684-0979 and chat with our friendly, no-pressure team of experts. We'll make sure you get exactly what you need to solve your water problems once and for all.